Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at my full build for Viktor. But before I do start this video, I would like to say thank you all for the support. Anyways, let's get right into this. So, for Viktor's left click, it makes him shoot his assault rifle doing a whopping 130 damage for every shot, which translates to 130 damage every 0.1 seconds when in autofire. For Viktor's right click, it makes him aim down the sights using iron sights. On the other hand, it improves his accuracy, but minus his movement speed by 50%. Viktor has a highly convenient F ability. His F, called Hustle, lowers his weapon and increases his movement speed by a solid 65%. Next up, we have Viktor's Q ability, also known as Frag Grenade. Viktor throws out a grenade with an 8-second detonation time, doing up to 750 damage. Finally, Viktor's E ability, he pulls out a set of binoculars that have click-based artillery. Viktor aims at an enemy and left-clicks them, shooting down artillery shells, doing 1,400 damage upon hit. I personally think Viktor's weapon is great, and his E really goes well together to wipe out as many enemies as possible. For Viktor's loadout, I like to use Compensator 4 for that 0% recoil, Flak Jacket 4 for that bonus 200 health, and I like to use Reflexes 2 for bringing my iron sight up 30% faster. Second to last, I like to use Second Wind 1 for even more speed after using Hustle, and finally I like to use XL Mag 1 for the extra 2 bullets in a mag to spray them down. So for items, I use Kill to Heal, Haven, Wrecker, and Chronos. I chose this to make me tanky and damaging. By pretty popular demand, here is some Viktor gameplay that I'm just gonna let lapse over with some music. Peace. well, that's it, guys. Really hope you all enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you want to see more. Peace.